Habibi. I'm leaving Lagos to Ghana, but so this is a day before, and I'm feeling kind of mixed feeling. I don't know how to feel right now, but let's see. Fingers crossed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you behind the scene as I prepare for an exciting road trip from Nigeria to Ghana, from packing my essentials to booking a cozy Airbnb and all that. Let's get ready. I'll be traveling by road, so I've mapped out my route and check all borders requirements. Mind you, borders requirements are passport, your yellow fever card, your travel insurance. Anyway, that one is not necessary, sha. So but if you're traveling, if you're planning a similar journey, double check your documents early to avoid last minute stress. Okay, don't be like me. I was trying to see if I can book for accommodation. You know one funny thing about this accommodation booking, because it's actually Airbnb that I wanted to book one for the the 2 nights I'm going to spend in Ghana. Habibi. Like, so I have this one that I actually saw. The house is at Osu side, because I actually want to look for Airbnb that is around Osu or East Legon. So I saw one at Jaman, and I actually realized that Jaman is actually far from me, because I'm using public transport. I'm traveling by road. So I actually want to book a place that is close to me. Like, I don't want anything more than 20 minutes drive. It's going to be a lot for me. So I have this one I saw at Jaman. So I never really thought about the distance. So I booked it. It was $90 for 2 nights. So when I realized that these people, they don't collect money, you can just book down. So I was happy. When I saw the mail, I was like, wow, these people, they are really trustworthy. They are actually trusting me to come there, even without making any down payment. Only for me, in the next 2 hours, only for me to receive, oh, I'm sorry, we are canceling on you, we don't accept credit card, blah blah blah. So they canceled on me. Now I'm trying to see, I went to airbnb.com and I'm trying to see if I can book some. I saw a vacation rental, and also the man, Mr. Fred, is the owner of the house. So I saw the reviews, they were rating it 5 stars. And again, the thing is that it was it was actually $59 for 2 nights. Do you know what happened? Guess what? The date that I stated I'm going to stay there, it was free. So when I put in my identification to show that I'm serious, because I wanted to shout them to tell them that I'm seriously in need of that, I may not really pay online, but just be rest assured that I need it to be kept and booked for me. Do you know what happened? Only for me to receive, oh, I'm sorry, the date is already booked. You know, the next thing that came to my mind, I was like, looks like this man is discriminating. He doesn't want Nigerians in his apartment. That's what I'm trying to understand here. And I couldn't connect the dots that something that I saw that is free, just suddenly they booked it suddenly. Anyway, let me say I'm not having double mind. I'm not having all those discriminating minds, something like that. But I was pained. Now I'm trying to see if I can look for Airbnb that is around East Legon and Osu, just the 2 of them. That's what I need. So I'm looking for an apartment, affordable apartment too, because all this luxury apartment is not for me, it's not my calling. So see what I'm going through right now. My head is bursting. I've been doing too many things at the same time, and really it's not easy. So let me keep on, fingers crossed, let me keep on searching. And I have just 4 days to decide. 4 days to go. Can you imagine? 4 days to go. That's one good thing about traveling by road. If you're traveling by air, you cannot try this nonsense. You must have booked a month before to get it cheaper and all that. But God help me, God help me. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys updated, okay?
So I'll be using GUO transport for my travel from Nigeria to
I actually
Ghana.
came a day before to make inquiries because this is actually my first time and I don't want to be in a situation whereby you know, I'll be on maybe make mistake, miss something or something else. So I just came a day before to confirm what time they are leaving. To think that I actually booked my ticket a day before is wonderful. So my ticket is actually 100,000 and I'm coming back from GUO. So and tomorrow is going to be 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. movement and I cannot wait, guys. Like I cannot wait. So I'm going to show us my accommodation. One thing about my accommodation, I actually booked Airbnb, and the Airbnb that I booked is actually far from Accra Mall. Can you imagine? So Habibi, stay back.